Hello, my name is Kelly, and this is my family. This is my mother. She is pretty and short. Pretty, linda, short, de baja estatura. She is pretty and short. This is my father. He is tall and handsome. Tall, alto. Handsome, guapo. He is tall and handsome. This is my sister. She is sad. This is my brother. He is happy. Point out at the image that is being described. Con su dedito van a señalar la imagen que la teacher va a describir. This is my mother. She is short and pretty. Correct. This is my sister. She is sad. That's right. This is my father. He is tall and handsome. Very good. And this is my brother. He is happy. Awesome!